Hello friends, we all are going through a monotonous life as lockdown is still going on. We are doing very limited groceries, so thought of sharing a different egg recipe. I called it egg burfi curry. I hope it will give you a different taste compared to normal egg curry. If you like the recipes, please like it, subscribe it and share with your friends. For the egg burfi curry, we will prepare the egg burfi first. Here I am preparing the recipe for 6 to 5 people. For the burfi, we need 6 eggs. I took one medium size onion that I cut into 2 pieces. I made paste from half of the onion along with 1 inch piece of ginger, and the other half I cut into very small pieces. Let's prepare the bowl in which we will make the egg burfi. Take a bowl and spread oil very well. Now take a parchment paper and place it on the bottom of the bowl and apply some more oil on it. Now time for prepare the egg mixture. Crack 6 eggs in a bowl. Add salt and black pepper according to taste and mix it well. Now add the onion and ginger paste and mix it very well. Add the chopped onion and again mix it very well. Now transfer the egg mixture into the prepared bowl. Cover it with a lid. I took a cooker and filled it with water and then placed the bowl in the cooker and put the lid on and cook it on medium flame for 20 to 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's see the ingredients which we'll be using to make the gravy. We will need potato. It is optional. Here I have taken 5 small potatoes and cut into 2 pieces. 1 medium size sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 medium size tomato paste. Now I am taking half teaspoon of turmeric powder and cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and I am making a paste with help of some water. For the tadka, we will need some jeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 cardamom, a stick of cinnamon and 2 to 3 cloves. 30 minutes are up. Now take a look of the egg mixture. It is completely cooked. Now unmold it and place it in a plate and cut it into pieces like burfi. Keep it aside. Now I am adding some oil in heated kadhai for frying the aloo and the egg burfi. I will fry the potato till the potato become golden in color from all the sides. Now I am frying all the egg pieces well. Now in the same kadhai I am adding some more oil, and in this I am adding the dry spices. Let them crackle. Now I am adding chopped onion, I'm adding some salt so that the onion get fry faster. Garlic and ginger paste go into kadhai. After frying it well, I'm adding the tomato paste. I will fry it well. After 3 minutes or so, I'm adding the masala paste and I will fry it till the masala starts separating from the oil. Now sprinkle some hot water. I will cook the masala little bit more. Adding the fried potato. Mix it well. Now I am adding some salt according to taste. Now adding 5 to 6 chilies. After frying all the masalas and the potatoes, I am adding hot water. Let it boil. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now I am adding the egg burfis and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Egg burfi curry is done now. I hope you will like the recipes. Please share your experience with me. Please like it, subscribe it and share with your friends.